This is my math homework number 12, Wednesday. For the first one, it says enter the unknown value in the equation. So we have x, or you can say square, whichever one you like, square minus 16.5 equals 34.27. Now to figure out this unknown number, we have to do the opposite. So we have to add 16.5. So we'll add that to this side to see what we get. 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 5 makes 7. Decimal goes straight down. 4 plus 6 makes 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 makes 5. So we know the square has to be 50.77. And if we want to prove it, we can do 50.77 on the side and subtract it with the 16.5, and we should get the 34.27. 7 minus nothing, or 0, 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Borrow right here, that's a 10 minus 6, which is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. As you can tell, we get the 34.27 back, so we know that the 50.77 is correct. You just have to add or do the opposite of whatever is on the left side. For the next one, it says what number correctly completes each equation. So all squares have the same value, and there's 3 of them. So a square plus a square plus a square equals 40.2. So to go backwards, we just have to divide 40.2 divided by 3. We can divide by 3 because there's 3 equal squares. There's 3 equal groups. 3 can go in 4 once. That will give me 1 as the remainder. Add a 0. 3 can go in 10 3 times because that will give me 9. Subtract. This would be 12, and 3 can go in 12 4 times. And then we just go put the decimal in the right spot. We have one number behind the decimal. So we know that a square equals 13.4. And if we want to check, we can do 13.4 plus 13.4 plus 13.4, or just do 13.4 times 3, and it should give us that 40.2. Now we're going to use that to help us with our second equation. A circle minus 4.56 has to equal that 13.4 because we just calculated the square. Now all I have to do is do the opposite. In this case, it's 13.4 plus that 4.56. We're going to do the opposite of subtraction, which is going to be addition. We will add as we use 6. 4 plus 5 makes 9. Decimal just goes straight down. 3 plus 4 makes 7. And the 1. So we know the circle has to be 17.96. For the next one, it says Ashley bought 2 bags of Skittles, 1 bag of M&Ms, and 2 Reese's. Ashley gave the clerk a $10 bill. How much change should she get back? Well, she bought 2 bags of Skittles, 1 bag of M&Ms, and 2 of the Reese's. So we'll calculate that. So here's $1.26 times 2 for the Skittles. 6 times 2 is 12, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, add 1 is 5. And 2 times 1 is 2. We know we have 2 numbers behind the decimal. There it is, it's $2.52. And the M&Ms, we just leave it alone because it's just one of them, and it's $1.79. For the Reese's, it's $2.05 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, carry the 1. 2 times 0 is 0, add 1. And 2 times 2 is 4. We know there's going to be 2 numbers behind the decimal, so it'd be 4.10. All you have to do is add these all up. You have $2.52 for the Skittles. We have the $1.79 for the M&Ms. And we have the $4.10 for the Reese's. 2 plus 9 makes 11, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 makes 6. 6 plus that 7 right there is going to be 13. 13 plus that 1 makes 14, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 makes 3. 3 plus 1 makes 4. 4 plus 4 makes 8. Your decimal goes straight down. So we know that she owes $8.41. Then let's subtract that from $10. Because that's how much money she gave to the clerk. And let's calculate how much money she should get back. You have to borrow. That becomes a 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Decimal goes straight down. 9 minus 8 is 1. So she should get back $1.59. For this one, it says the area of a rectangle is 96 centimeters squared. The length is 12 centimeters. What is the width? So We know the area is 96. We know the length is 12. We just don't know the width, which is the side right here. So for us to do that, all we have to do is take your answer, which is 96, and divide it by 12 to give us the second number, to give us the width. We know that 12 cannot go to 9. We know that 12 times 8 would be exactly 96. So we know that this side has to be 8 centimeters. And then we can check that because 12 times 8 goes back to 96. For the last one, it says find the perimeter. Perimeter means to go all the way around, not like area where you do length times width. So we know that it's going to be 11 plus 11 plus 2.4 plus 2.4. 11 and 11 makes 22. And 2.4 plus 2.4 will give us 4.8. So now it looks like this. And all I have to do is add 22 plus 4, which is 26, and that would be 0.8 meters. And that's the answer for the last one for perimeter.